So good morning, my all friends. My name is Rohan Nikam, and welcome to my channel, whose name is Addiction for Physics. This is my first video on YouTube, and my today's video topic is the working science of liquid fuel rocket. So, guys, we all know that what is rocket? Yes, the rocket is the thing which can fly and which go in a space. But most of the people don't know that how it works, that how rocket's internal engine work, so that rocket can fly. Today I will go to explain about that. And for that I did made one rocket model. With the help of that I will explain you how its internal engine works. Rocket liquid fuel rocket's internal engine works. Stay tuned until the end and watch it and enjoy the video, guys. Now you can see here the model. So first I introduce model to you. Now first see, this is the rocket body. In this rocket body I will show different parts of rocket, like nose, and then the rocket booster, and then here you can see the fins and the lower part, which is also called as a nozzle. Here it is the body, and now let's move towards the internal engine. So this is the internal engine of the rocket. With the help of this I will be going to explain you about how it works. And this is basically the liquid fuel rocket. So there are two types of rocket. Basically, one is a liquid fuel rocket and other is a solid fuel rocket. I will be going to explain about the liquid fuel rocket. So let's start the video. So first I will explain you that what is the use of different parts of the rocket, like nose, like fins and rocket booster. Let's start. First we can see that what is the use of fins. So what are the fins? Yes, see, this is the fin. Sorry for this. Yes, so this is the fins, this and this and this. So these are the fins. So the work of fins is to provide stability to the rocket and to keep rocket in a straight path. So why? Because in our atmosphere there are different molecules are present, and which we also called as air. So this air provides resistance. Then to minimize or to manage this resistance, the fins are attached to the rocket. So now come to the nozzle. Sorry, nose. This is the nose of rocket. So what is the work of nose? The work of nose is same like a fins. These nose is also used to keep rocket in a straight path and to provide stability to the rocket. Okay. So now come to the rocket booster. So the work of rocket booster is basically to provide extra amount of force or power to the rocket, because you know that the rocket is very heavy, and to lift it up we need extra amount of force or extra amount of power. So these are provided by these rocket boosters. Okay. So now let's come to the nozzle. This is the nozzle. Basically, work of nozzle is to accelerate the hot gases which comes after the burning of fuel, and this nozzle is also control the velocity of that hot gases. Here it is the use of different parts of the rocket, that why these parts are attached to the rocket. So now move to the main part, or the main purpose of video, that how the internal engine of rocket is work. This here you can see the internal engine, and in this internal engine you can see the different parts, like these, like this, and these, and this, and this, and this also. First I will tell you or explain you how what is the different parts name, and what their work. So let first come here. So here you can see the two tanks, or not tanks, but these two are the containers. uh, so uh, these are the two chambers. Here this is the one chamber, and this is the another chamber. So this chamber is basically contain the liquid fuel. So liquid fuels means it is what, it is the fuel which is present in the form of liquid. So because of that we call it as a liquid fuel. And which fuel is the LH2, whereas the L is stand for liquid and H2 is stand for hydrogen. Okay, so here you can see this orange tank, basically this orange container. So this container is contain liquid oxidizer. So here oxidizer is present in the form of liquid, so we called it as a liquid oxidizer, and which is in the form of O2, where O2 is the oxygen. Okay, so now come to here. So here you can see these two, this and this. So these are basically, these are the pumps. These pumps are pump or push the fuel which comes from this container. These two pumps are pump or push this fuel or oxidizer into the combustion chamber. This is, guys, this is the combustion chamber. These pumps which pumps or push the rocket fuel and oxidizer towards this combustion chamber. See, this is the combustion chamber. Okay, you can see this is the combustion chamber. Okay, so and this is the igniter, which is basically used to generate the electric spark. And what is the use of electric sparks? We will know it during the when I will explain you the process. So friends, here you can see this black one. This basically this is called as a fuel injector. So what is the work of this fuel injector? So what this fuel injector do? This fuel injector convert the liquid fuel and the oxidizer into very small droplets. We all have perfumes. So in that perfume, inside that perfume there is a liquid, and when you spray the perfume, that liquids are converted into small droplets. So this fuel injector is also do same. So now let's start the process. So first let's start the process, that how it works. So what happens, friends? You can see these two chambers or these two container. From this here the liquid fuel is come to the pump, towards the pump, means here. And from this chamber the liquid oxidizer which come in these pumps. Okay, so what happened through this pump? This liquid fuel are enter into the fuel injector. This is the fuel injector, and through this the liquid oxidizer which also inject or enter into the fuel injector. So what this fuel injector do? This fuel injector convert that liquid fuel and that liquid oxidizer into very small droplets. Look, you can see here this liquid fuel and this liquid oxidizer, small droplets. And then what happen? This you can see the igniter. So this igniter generate a small little electrical spark, and because of that spark these all molecules are burned. Okay, so these molecules are present in these molecules are burned. So these molecules are present in a lot of amount. So the lots of molecules are burned, and because of that kinetic energy of this molecule are increased because they burn. And during and when they burn, the heat is generated, and because of that heat these molecules kinetic energy is increases. And as you know that as this kinetic energy increases, according to Newton's third law, these molecules are exert force on the earth surface. Okay, these molecules are exert force on the earth surface, and that earth surface exert opposite force on the rocket. So because of that, rocket will fly. So guys, I hope you will understand this concept, that how its internal engine works. And if you like the video, then please subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, then ask it into the comment box. Thank you for watching.